nangyari? What happened? So this is a study conducted involving 10,000 women, no? From Europe, US, China, Asia. So ito yon. Ginawa nila simple lang, dalawang doors. Average and beautiful. So, to test how people see themselves. Siyempre, kung if they pass to the beautiful door, they believe that they are beautiful. Kung dito lang sila sa average. Okay? And, what's the stand? Anong resulta? How do you think kaya ang pinakamaraming dumaan na door? The average or the beautiful? Average? Agree? Average? Yes. 96% believe that they are just average. Only 4% believe that they are beautiful. Again, you cannot fill a glass with an empty cup of tea. You cannot give what you don't have. So dapat, it has to start from us. Okay? Kasi yun di ba? Walang self-confidence. Yung sa manang self-confidence sa Bisaya, walay ulaw. Bagag nawong. So dapat ingalang atong attitude. Okay, dapat experience that we feel na average lang ta. Dapat na dire, abay mga mindset na ingon ana. Ano nangyari? So, our worth is coming from our achievements. Right? Dili ba sa atong trabaho na ba diri nga dapat college graduate jud ka? That's it. You see the beauty of this. Di ba? Sa uban, i-judge ka. Di ba? Wala makakahuman. So, di ka dawat sa trabaho, right? But no, here. Bisag kung sa imong achievement, basta as long as there's something in you that you can offer, that you can contribute, you are accepted. Right? So, this is appreciate ba niyo nga trabaho? Kasi di ba? Uy, gwapa lagi imong book. Ay, dili, uy. Di ba? Kuan rin ni, shampoo rin ni. Nice lagi imong salin. Ay, ukay-ukay. Di ba? Ano nga na akong responses? Kasi di ba? Pag sinabi, gwapa lagi, thank you. Can you say it? Thank you. Di ba? We have to change the mindset here. This is the thing of people Okay? Pag hindi natin na-change ang mindset natin yan, believing that we are beautiful, at first good, you have to have that. Because that's the one step to success. Okay? Especially sa trabaho ninyo, dapat mataas ang self-confidence. Right? Okay? So again, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, you are not average. And sabihin mo, you are beautiful. And again, guys, I want you to say it with conviction. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, tapikin mo yung sarili mo. Everybody, sabihin mo, I am beautiful. Go. Yan. Can we give a round of applause? Diba? You have to affirm. Affirmation. Okay, gwapa lagi kaya lang. Di ba? They always limiting na yun. So I wanted to change that one because sabi ko nga sa inyo, you are like a chain. Every money, positive vibes kayo, kinidiri negative. Saan nga ito pag-achieve sa atong goal? Di ba? Or about you the other, di ba? So dapat, you have to start from you. From within, gina siya. Okay? So muna siya, because start, kaya atong game, is that unleashing. If you want to change the result of your life, do things differently. That's why you are getting the same result. Kasi yun pa rin ang ginagawa mo. Diba? The mindset is still average. You cannot achieve success with an average mindset. Okay? So, dapat ganun yan. Okay? Yeah, growth mindset. Number one, we had the cheering kanina. Okay? We want to drive, okay, that meron tayong dapat hawakan dito sa team. Ang tawag dyan, pride. That's the word? Pride. Okay, I wanted to have that pride in a positive context. Sa Tagalog, angas. What's the word? Angas. What's angas? Meaning to say, di ba, proud ka nga naa ka dinhi karon sa nga team. Yes. Yeah, are you proud? Oh, damo na siya. Dapat you show the flag. We have to show to the world. Yeah, we are just here in Davao or something, but we are here. No? Dapat ganun tayo. Kasi minsan, asa nagtrabaho? Dugay kayo mo mahibawaan. Diba? Tinood ni siya na bringing his students open because this is the attitude that we have. Diba? We had to be proud. Oh, angas. Dapat mayroon tayong ganun kasi mo na, no? Pag mawala na yung angas, wala na. Okay? When an experience, no? We were in Arizona, no, with my daughter, no, with my wife, competing for the Hip Hop International, ang daughter ko. Member sila ng Team Philippines. Okay, so kini ako nakita. Pag tindog dito sa mga bata, kay youth man sila, no, nag-won in Manila and no, nag-introduce 55 number 11 tayo. Actually ang coach. Pag tindog pa lang dito sa mga other countries, wala pa sila gi-istorya. Ma-feel na nimo ilang presence. Oh, di ba? Grabing aura, oy, angas ba? Oh, pero pag Pilipino gani, diesel, dugaya pa dito, no eh. Because we were trained before. Unsa man, pag-perform ka, di ba? Nag-perform mo mga sa school, di ba? Unsa ingon sa inyong mga parents, kasagaran. Di ba? Galingan mo, di ba? Ana-ana, pagka humanay pahabol. Ako ba sa may experience? Ayaw pag hinambog, ha? Di ba okay na sana? Behave. Oh, di ba? Oh, behave. So, di ba? So, you close. Di ba? Tiklop ka. Sayang yun eh. Di ba? So, I'm sharing you this because later on, you have also this opportunity. And I want you to motivate people the right way. Okay, so dapat may angas tayo. Tell mo the person next to you, dapat angas. Angas ha? It's not a negative pride. I want to have the positive pride. No? Ownership. We are a virtual job Philippines. Filipino ta. We're the best, one of the best in the world. Tama? Oh, di ba? No, again, I want you to have pride. Okay? Huwag yung alisin yan. Pag nawala na yan, if you want